You have been using expensive skincare products, but your skin is still dull, breaking out, or not glowing. Here is the truth: it's not always the product, it's the order you are using them and not knowing what each one actually does. Use the wrong order and your skincare becomes useless. Today I will show you the correct skincare routine order and what each product actually does, so you stop wasting your money and start seeing results. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe, like and share this video with somebody that needs it. So today I'm basically going to show you the right order to apply your skincare to see good results. A lot of people don't know the right order to apply their skin. They apply their skincare anyhow and it's causing a lot of breakouts on their skin. So today I'm going to show you the right order to apply your skincare to see great results, to achieve your desired skin goal. First of all, why order matters. Why do you need to apply your skincare in the right order to see good results? Think of your skin like dressing up. You won't wear your jacket before you wear your underwear. Same thing here. If you apply thick product first, lighter ones can't penetrate your skin. It will lead to no glow, no result, just frustration. So that's why you need to apply your skincare in the right order to see a very good result. So we are going to start with morning routine. Morning routine helps protect your skin. The first step, the first order in a morning routine is cleanser. Cleanser helps to cleanse dirt, oil and sweat on your skin. All the dirt and oil on your skin, the cleanser helps to clean them up. Some people feel like, oh, I've already cleaned my skin in the night before I sleep, I don't need to clean my skin in the morning. Try it and you see that your skin is bringing out dirt. You need to clean in the morning too, even if you clean before you sleep. So cleanser is very, very important, and the first order is cleanser. Start with cleanser. And another thing, cleanser prepares your skin for everything else. If your face is not clean, nothing else will work. So the cleanser helps to prepare our skin for all the other products we are going to apply on our skin. Without the cleanser, the other products will not work. So think of cleanser as your foundation. That's the first step in every skincare. You cannot build a house without laying foundation. So the cleanser is like your foundation. The first thing I said is cleanser. The next order is toner. After cleanser, the next step, that's the next order, is toner. Toner hydrates, balances skin and tightens pores. Toner helps other products absorb better. Think of toner as a prep step. So when you finish cleansing your face, the next step is to apply toner. Toner helps to prep your face. It helps to hydrate your skin and balance the pH of your skin. It tightens your pores. Toner helps to absorb your other skincare. It helps them to absorb it, to take it in your skin. So toner is very important. So after cleanser, the next step I said is toner. So don't start with toner before cleanser. Then the next step is serum. Serum targets specific problems. We have different types of serum for different skin problems. For example, we have vitamin C serum, which helps to brighten skin. If your skin is dull and you need that glow, use vitamin C serum. Then we have niacinamide. Niacinamide serum reduces dark spots. So if you have a lot of dark spots on your face, try using niacinamide serum. Then we have salicylic acid. It helps fight acne. Salicylic acid helps fight acne on the skin. So if you're suffering from acne, try using salicylic acid. Make sure you know the specific skin problem you are trying to deal with and know the right serum to apply. This is where real results happen. Think of serum as your treatment step. So I said the first order is cleanser. After you apply cleanser, you apply toner. After you apply toner, you apply serum. And you look for the serum that will suit your skin problem. Then the fourth order is moisturizer. Moisturizer hydrates and locks in products. So all the products you apply to your face, moisturizer helps to hydrate your skin and lock in all the products to your skin. And moisturizer helps to prevent dryness and irritation. So if your skin is dry, if you are suffering from dry skin, make sure you moisturize your face often, and it helps to prevent skin irritation. Think of moisturizer as protection. Moisturizer helps protect the skin. The next order is sunscreen. Sunscreen is non-negotiable. Sunscreen helps to protect your skin from sun damage. It prevents dark spots and aging. At times you apply products and you see that it's not working, you are not using sunscreen. Sunscreen helps your product to work very well. Without sunscreen, your skincare is a waste. You are spending money for nothing. So without sunscreen, don't even buy skincare. Don't even waste your time. Just leave your skin like that because it's not going to work. So sunscreen is very important in your skincare, and it's the last step in your morning routine. Think of sunscreen as your #1 glow protector. So for morning routine, I said the first order is cleanser. After cleanser, you apply toner. After toner, you apply serum. After serum, you apply moisturizer. After you apply moisturizer, you apply sunscreen. So there are 5 steps to your morning routine. If you want that glowing, beautiful skin, you need to follow this step diligently and consistently. So now let's move to night routine. What night routine does is repair your skin. So step 1, cleanser. Yes, cleanser is very important. Double cleanse if needed. Yes, if you cleanse your face for the first time, you can clean it for the second time. Why? Because you went outdoor or a lot of dirt were trapped in your skin during the day. So you make sure you clean your skin properly. So cleanser helps to remove makeup, sunscreen and dirt. All the makeup you apply on your face in the morning and the dirt that settle on your face during the day, also the sunscreen that you apply, cleanser helps to remove all those things on your face. So the first thing is cleanser in your night routine too. The next order is exfoliation. But exfoliation is not daily. You don't need to exfoliate your skin every day. You need to do it only 2 to 3 times a week. You can do it, some people can even do it once a week. It depends on your skin problem. So exfoliation shouldn't be every day. You can do it 2 to 3 times a week. So exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells. It smoothens skins and boosts glow. So all the dead skin on your skin, all the irritation on your skin, exfoliation helps to remove them. Overdoing this will damage your skin. I said it's not daily. Think of exfoliation as your renewal step. It helps to renew your skin. I said the order in your night routine, the first step is cleanser, followed by exfoliation. Exfoliation is not done every day. Then the third step is toner. So toner in the night hydrates and prep your skin again. It makes your treatment product work better. So that's the need of toner in your nighttime routine. So make sure, don't forget toner in your nighttime routine. After toner is treatment serums. Serum helps fix deeper skin issues. I said it earlier. So we have different types of serum for different skin issues. So retinol, it helps fight acne and anti-aging. So if you are suffering from acne and aging skin, make sure you use retinol serum. We have AHA, BHA serum. It helps to smooth your skin. Serum helps to speed up skin transformation. So you don't forget serum in your nighttime routine. After serum is moisturizer. Moisturizer repairs and hydrates overnight. It keeps your skin barrier healthy. So it's very important to moisturize your skin before you sleep. Don't say it's night, I can leave my skin like that, nothing will happen. No. Moisturize your face properly before you sleep. Then the next step and the last step in your nighttime routine is face oil. It's also optional. Face oil is optional. Face oil helps seal in moisture and adds glow. So all the moisturizer you apply and all the other skincare products you apply, face oil helps to seal them all in. It's best for dry skin. If you have dry skin, this face oil is good for you. But if you have oily skin, you can skip this part. Think of it as a finishing touch for your nighttime routine. This is the right order for your night skincare routine. First is cleanser. After cleanser, you exfoliate your skin. Exfoliation is not daily. After exfoliating your skin, you apply toner. After toner, you apply treatment serum. After serum, you apply moisturizer. After moisturizer, you apply face oil. And face oil is optional. It's very good for those with dry skin. Now, here are simple rules to remember. Always follow light to thick. Start from light skin products to thick skin products. Now, there are some common mistakes people make that even after following this order, their skin is not changing. They are not getting the glow that they want. So if you are one of those people, stop doing this mistake. Skipping sunscreen. Never skip sunscreen. Using too many products. Mixing this product and the other product. Using too many products is bad. Mixing ingredients wrongly. Adding different ingredients without knowing their chemical effects can damage your skin. Not being consistent. You have to be consistent. Consistency will lead to great results. Expecting overnight results. You cannot start skincare routine today and expecting to see results the next day. It takes time and consistency. So if you know you are making these mistakes I've listed, please stop doing it in order to achieve your glow. So say this to yourself always. Cleanser cleans, toner prepares, serum treats, moisturizer protects, and sunscreen defends. That's skincare made simple. So remember these and know their importance on your skin. Now you know the truth. It's not about having products, it's about using them the right way. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.